Meaning of diabetic.
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 Diabetic. Diabetic refers to a condition in which an individual has high levels of sugar, glucose, in their blood. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is caused by the immune system attacking the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin, while type 2 diabetes is caused by the body's inability to use insulin effectively. Both types of diabetes can lead to serious health complications if left untreated, including heart disease, kidney damage, nerve damage, and blindness. Treatment typically involves managing blood sugar levels through diet, exercise, medication, and insulin therapy.